So today's video regarding Canon PIXMA TR7660 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to do the copy, print and scan with this printer. So first we'll do the copy and then we'll do the wireless printing and scanning. To do a copy, we can simply open the top scanner lid and place a page here. Place a page facing downwards on the left hand side corner. Now open the paper output tray as you can see here and open this screen. Now go to the display panel. Also make sure you have loaded A4 size sheets at the rear paper tray or the cassette paper tray. Click on the copy and just click on the standard copy. Now go to the setting and here we can change the things if we want, and once we are ready we can just go back, and so here is the color button, so click on that and it will start the copy. Here we can see the copy is done. Also, in case you want to do the two-sided copy, just simply go to the setting and scroll until the last option. So here we see two-side printer setting, and here we can see select on two-sided and click OK. Now whatever you want to print, it will print on the both sides of the page. And the next thing I'm going to show you how to do the wireless printing and scanning. For that we need to connect our printer with the device, for example the iPhone, Android device, MacBook or a laptop. And I'm going to use the Android device today. Now the first thing is, and there are two type of connections we can use, that is using the Wi-Fi or the Wi-Fi Direct. So you can do whatever you want, and I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi Direct here, and then we'll do the scanning and printing. So click on the setting button, click on device setting, LAN settings. Here is the wireless direct. Now we have to switch on it, so click on enable wireless direct, click on, and click on C settings. So this is the name of the printer's Wi-Fi. Show password, click on that and it will display the password. So here we can see the password is here. Now go to your device and open the Wi-Fi, and in the Wi-Fi we have to look for the printer's Wi-Fi name. So just wait for the Wi-Fi to appear. Now click on that and enter the password and click on the connect button. So you will see it is connected. Now we go back and open the Canon Print app. So you can download the Canon Print app from the App Store. It will ask, do you want to search for available printers? Click yes and just wait for the printer to appear here. And on the next screen you will see your printer is added instantly. So click on cancel button and we go to the main screen. Here you will see the name of the printer, TR7660 series. Now I'll show you how to do the wireless printing first. So go to the document print section and select any document you want to print from here. For example, this is the one, and click on the next button, click on current page and click OK, and wait for the printer to print the page. This way we can do the wireless printing. And to do the wireless scanning, we simply go back and go to the main app. Here you see the scan button is there, so click on that. And now I'm going to use the top feeder tray to scan the multiple pages. So this is the top feeder tray as you can see. So I'm going to place two pages here. So this is the one and this is the second page. So it should be like this. Now go to the screen and click on the scan button. Here we can see the scan result has been saved, so click OK and then you will get access for that. So here we can see the scan is done. So here we can see the scan page 1 and this is the page number 2. Now if you want, you can just click on the share button. You can save it to the different location, or you can send it in the mail or WhatsApp, whatever you want. Now click on the cancel button and go back. So this way we can do the copy, print and scan using this printer, and it's very easy. So if you want a fast printer, it's better than other printers, and it can do the multiple scannings, which is a very good option, and you can save it as a single PDF file. Thanks for watching.